Hi. We have been talking a lot about languages now, but maybe it's time to also look at some real languages and some real speakers. And that's what we're just about to do. So at this point in every module of this MOOC, we're going to look at some real language data. We found informants from all over the world to give us data about their language. And in every module we will look at the specific topic we're studying in that module for all those different languages. And you are going to do that. You are going to do most of that analysis. I'm going to present you a little bit about how to get data from an informant, and we will show to you how you can analyze those data, but then most of the videos will be there for you to study. And that's going to be part of your homework. In this very first module, we're just introducing the different speakers we have. We're asking them a few things about their languages. It's going to be your task to check what they say against some of the available sources like Ethnologue, which we have discussed before. With me now here is Huang Ho, who is going to tell me a little bit about her language and her own linguistic situation. So tell me, what is your language, and tell me a few things about it.
Yeah, my language is Mandarin Chinese. Mandarin Chinese is spoken by Han people. There are nearly 1 billion people who speak it. And I know that people in Singapore and Malaysia also speak Chinese. In a narrow sense, Mandarin Chinese refers to Standard Chinese, and it is the official language in People's Republic of China.
And is it your native language?
Yeah, I think I speak Jinyu. It is a dialect branch of Mandarin Chinese, and I think it's very different from Mandarin Chinese. But I began to study Standard Chinese when I was 6 years old. At that time, I was just went to the elementary school. Yeah, it was compulsory to study Mandarin Chinese, Standard Chinese, and we have to speak it in the public areas.
And are there any other languages you speak?
I just speak English. Mm-hmm.
Fortunately. You will find our analysis of the data you have just heard on the course page. On that course page, you will also find all the other introductory videos of our informants, and we invite you to study those. You will find a form on the course page which will guide you in making that kind of analysis. If you're following the advanced track, or if you're just into this kind of things, there's a very fun thing for you to do. This is to upload your own video. In every module you can upload your own video for a language which interests you for some reason. Maybe it's your own language, maybe it's some language of your neighbor, of your friend, or a language which interests you for some other reason. Find the speaker of that language, ask them the questions which we are asking of our informants, make a video and upload that video. In that way, it will also be fun for all the rest of us. We will have many more data to look at and to study. But in any case, come over to the last video of this particular module. In this last video, we will summarize what we've seen so far, and we will discuss a little bit more some of the interesting, of the marvelous miracles of human language.